Pancadão. 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 Pancadão.
Aumente o volume. Aumente o volume. Aumente o volume.
Aqui você dança pra valer.
DJ Abusador.
the finest girl in the whole wide world. But when we got to the club, she started to fake it. I said,
Get out there
and let me see you shake it.
Shake it.
Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on. This pretty girl I met, she kept me in a trance. But she had one problem, she would not dance. So I said to her, yo baby, look at the clock. You know time is running out and it's time to rock. But she kept standing there, holding up the wall while everybody was rocking cold, having a ball. And I thought to myself, something must be wrong, cause she been standing in the same place all night long. I said, come on girl, don't try to fake it.
Get out there
And let me see you shake it.
Shake it.
Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on. Now it's 3 a.m. with 1 hour to go. And every guy that asked to dance, she just say no. I started bugging and thinking, what could it be? Was she just saying no? Cause she was coolin' with me. Cause every song that came on, she would tap her feet and shake her head back and forth to the funky beat. But when I asked her to dance, she wouldn't obey. I mean, she got me upset. And I wanted to say, come on girl, don't try to fake it.
Get out there
And let me see you shake it.
Shake it.
Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it. Come on. Now the party was over and I was taking her home. She started touching me. I said, leave me alone, cause all night long you would not dance. Now it's over and you want to play hot pants, but it don't work that way. Sit back, be still, cause you would not dance. Now you wanna get ill, but now I'm tired, I'm weak, I need some sleep. Yo baby, call me tomorrow or give me a beat. She said, come on, Steve, don't try to fake it.
Hey Vicky, you're a cutie, teasing guys with your big booty. Hey Vicky, hey Vicky.
I know this type of girl that plays hard to get. She'll treat you so hard, you'll break out in a sweat. She only takes the players with the fortune and fame. She'll make you so horny, cause she's that type of dame. When she walks in the club, she swings it side to side. She has that type of booty that you just can't hide. When guys run up to her and they ask her her name, she says, don't worry, all you men are the same.
Hey Vicky, you're a cutie, teasing guys with your big booty. Hey Vicky, hey Vicky. Hey Vicky, you're a cutie, teasing guys with your big booty. Hey Vicky, hey Vicky.
Now all the fellas tell me that I should try for Vicky. I wanna take her home and have a cold damn lick me. Yo, down from my feet to the top of my head, and I'll throw on some boom and take her to my bed. It couldn't be true, it's all a fantasy, or what I wouldn't do to have that girl named Vicky. I used to see Vicky wherever I go. She's a well-known freak, a traveling hoe. She's at Decos, Nepenthes, even Pac Jam. She sees me at each place, she knows who I am. I used to see Vicky with Dan, her man, and when
Who's the quickest around? So let's battle, cowboy. Cause I'm not scared. Am I right, Joe?
your town, it's a showdown. On and you just don't stop. Stick out your butt and shake what you got. Cause this one here's a short hit. Just get on the floor and dance with it.
songs that you don't like. No me hagas esa mierda. Please go away, leave me alone. Vaya a comer mierda a otro lado.
som.
O melhor DJ do Brasil.